After that, we get the option for the symbol list. In the symbol list, you will see all the symbols available in your MetaTrader 5. If you haven't selected any symbol, then messages for trades on all symbols will be sent to your Telegram chat. But if you want messages to be sent only for one or a few specific symbols, then you can select and insert those symbols from here. Once you insert a particular symbol, then only trades on that symbol, whether opened or closed, will trigger messages. For trades on other symbols, no messages will be sent. You can also insert or remove all symbols at once if you want. Once you finish selecting the symbols, just click the OK button. This will save your selected symbols. Now, if we open any order, as we had saved EURUSD, we will see notifications for USD. But if we place orders in other symbols, their messages won't be sent here because we haven't added those symbols to our symbol list. Here, we have also added GBP/USD. So if we place an order in GBP/USD, we will also receive notifications for these orders on our Telegram channel. However, if the name of the symbol is not added to our symbol list, you will not see notifications for orders of that symbol on your Telegram channel. If you want to delete any symbol, you can select it and click on the Remove button. If the symbol list is kept empty, then you will receive notifications for all orders placed in your account on your Telegram channel. As we have emptied the symbol list, we will receive notifications for any order placed in any symbol. You can see that we have received the notification for our order. This way, you can receive notifications for all MetaTrader 5 orders on your Telegram channel.